Blessed love. So, me catch our ancestor them land. And them give we Jamaican language, Now, this are the third video about the official alphabet for Jamaican. In the first one, we talk about what make we need the alphabet here. And in the second one, we go through the vowel them for the alphabet. Now, a time to talk about the consonant them. Let's not forget our two very important rules. The first is that we do not use silent letters, and the second is that we always represent a sound the same way, using a letter or letter combination. Now, there are two groups of consonants in Jamaican. The first we call single consonants, and the second double consonants. Single consonants. B as in box, D as in dirt, F as in phone, G as in greater, H as in holler, J as in drive, K as in clock, L as in light, M as in money, N as in nose, P as in puss, R as in red, S as in circle, T as in TV, V as in vehicle, W as in whirl, Y as in yai, and Z as in zinger. The double consonants are CH as in tree, and G as in bling, SH as in shine, and ZH as in vision. Basically, that's it. But there are some other things that we need to talk about. There are some consonants that love to smuggle up with each other. BW, boy, boil, GY, gal, gallivant, NY, nyam, nyaka nyaka, KY, kya, kya. Now the letters C, K, and Q in English usually represent a hard K sound. In Jamaican, we simply use the letter K to represent that K sound. And seeing our rule says a sound is always represented by the same letter or combination of letters, the K is sufficient. So we have come, lack, and quiz. C is only used in combination with the letter H to represent the sound ch, as in tree. Depending on where in Jamaica you are from, it may or may not be natural for you to have an H sound at the beginning of a syllable or word. If you use it, write it. If you hear it, write it. If you do not, leave it out. So we're done. Blessed Lord.